Hello, this is my module on the creation of my periscope. And the first step was to ask a question. So what is a periscope and what's the purpose of it? You use a periscope when you're looking at something above eyesight. And the history of it, it was used in land and sea warfare. So I immediately thought of a submarine and something sticking out of the submarine and when you're trying to find something else when I was creating it. So then I had to imagine what type of materials that I would use and what resources I would use. So I needed a mirror, tape, and then was trying to think of some type of cardboard. So I had a piece of cardboard, but then a paper towel roll actually is really what kind of stuck out to me because I kept thinking of this tubular periscopes when the article was a little bit more boxy. So my plan was to cut out the paper towel rolled with diagonals of where I could place the mirrors and tape the mirrors onto. So here's a picture of me on the left-hand side trying to create it. And the angle didn't seem right when I placed the one mirror somewhere, so I had to build a new one. So I went back to the process of researching a little bit, and I found out that there's actually a specific angle that it should be at in order to see something that is higher. So I started over again and cutting out the paper towel roll and then taping the mirrors again to the tops. So it says that the simplest type of periscope consists of a tube, which was funny because I had picked a tube, at the ends of which there are two mirrors that are parallel to each other, but at 45-degree angle axis to the tube. So at first, it was definitely not 45 degrees. It was a little bit larger than 45, so I went back and tried to fix that. So I created it and it worked. You could use it to see almost eye level of an electrical box on a pole. So I went outside. It's a little bit hard to see in the video because the camera and the mirror wouldn't work too well, but you can kind of see at the top. You could see if somebody was up there or not. And there's another thing inside that I tried. I was looking kind of at a bean bag at the top of a windowsill. And it can be simplistic or advanced. And I think blocking my mirror, so this is what my periscope looks like, might help in case if there was sunlight and whatnot. So it still works even though it's pretty simplistic, and the mirrors are located on both the top and the bottom. And you can look at it this way, and I can actually see the top of a mirror right now in the bathroom across the hall. And then these are also the resources that I used, the article and also the encyclopedia.